You've probably tried using Odoo AI to summarize a record or write an email, and it spits out something less than impressive. It can be like a new hire who nods along in training, but still sends the wrong report or performs the task incorrectly. As frustrating as it is, AI isn't broken, you just haven't explained its job to it properly. But to be fair, no one probably told you how to explain the job to it properly. So let's fix that, because otherwise, AI will never be a reliable team member. In this video, we're going to go over how you get AI to do exactly what you want. And make sure you stay tuned to the very end, because I have a special trick to share with you that will make this even easier. Before anything else, you need to understand how AI works, at least a little bit. AI works off of what is called a prompt. This tells it what to do, any applicable information that will help it to do its job better, and what a successful job done looks like. We like acronyms though, they help us remember stuff, so here we go. Instruction is what we want it to do. Context is any relevant information it needs to do its job, and the expectation is what we want to get back from the AI. So basically, AIs love ice. You give them ice, they'll make something amazing. Let's start with instruction. Remembering that AI is like a new hire, we need to be specific. It's easy to get lazy here, but the more exact you are, the better your results will be. First, let's look at a bad example. Tell me about this customer. It's pretty vague, right? They could tell us anything about this customer and it may be helpful to us, but we're not telling it what to tell us. It would be much better to say, tell me how many employees this customer has, which industry they are in, and describe their payment history. It may go without saying, but we're going to get much better results from our new hire AI when we are more specific. Now let's move on to context, the stuff the AI needs to know to do the job right. If you tell a new hire to schedule a call, but don't tell them who the client is, what they're like, or what the call is for, they're likely not going to do a good job at scheduling that call. So provide context. In Odoo, we have a special way of providing certain bits of context. You can see right here, there's a nice blue color around this customer right here. We're going to zoom in so you can see a little bit better. But we can say, and I'm on a sales order right now, I want you to look at this certain field to get information. So say I wanted to look at the customer's country. We could add that right here as a bit of context so that our AI can give us a better answer. And I'm sure at this point you're thinking, Andrew, this is all wonderfully useful information, but you're not giving us any concrete examples. Well, you're right. Stick with me to the end, and I promise this will all make sense. Now, the last thing we really need to do is to set our expectation. Going back to our new hire, AI, we could ask them to provide us a report of all the customers who are late paying us. But what we get back is likely to be all over the place and almost never consistent. We could get 5 customer names separated by commas just in a sentence. We could get a bullet list, a table, or something entirely different. We didn't set our expectation. And if we didn't set our expectation, AI has no idea what we want back when the job is done. Okay, you ready to put this all together? Well, here comes the trick that makes all this so much easier. You see this? Kind of fitting that a video about making AI prompts relies on an AI prompt. You pop this guy into ChatGPT, and it's going to make you an AI prompt that absolutely kicks butt. Let me show you just how well this works. We're going to copy this whole thing and dump it into ChatGPT right here. Then we're going to let it just guide us through making an awesome prompt. Took a second to get through. There's a fair few questions to make sure you get a good prompt. But now we've got this code we can copy. So what we're going to do is come into Odoo. We're going into sales because this is helpful sales information. We're going to go into Studio, and I'm going to add another tab because I like to have a little bit of space. And we're going to say helpful sales information. Now we can go in here, go to add, and we're going to add an AI field. Okay. Now, if you want AI to return something that's fairly well formatted, we'll want that to be an HTML field. That allows us to have bullet lists, bold, bigger headers, stuff like that, which for this sort of thing, for readability, That's really nice to have. So make sure it's an HTML field type if you want something like that. And I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to copy my code, and we're going to drop this in here. The only other thing you need to remember, and my little prompt generator will remind you of this, is that for any context where we're referring to some information on the record, we need to replace that with actual live information. So it's sitting right here. We're going to go ahead and highlight this, press /, go to field selector. We're going to say customer, and that's our customer. Insert that here. Email is going to be the customer's email. So we're going to go to field selector, go to customer, grab this, and go to email. All right, insert that. And we're also going to add the customer website. So / field selector, customer, and then domain or website. There we go, website link. And insert that there so that the AI actually has actual information to work from. Now, let's see how our prompt did. So we hop out of Studio, and we're going to click our little AI button. And you can see I got a company overview out, which is not something that I really asked for. This address is not necessary. The phone, the website, and the email are not necessary, so I may need to go back and revise my prompt. But here's the company insights. So industry, the services that they provide, and then our potential value proposition. All things that I asked it to lay out in this specific format. But here's the kicker. Just like any employee, we need to be able to provide feedback so that the responses that we get better and better. And you'll see I built that into my little prompt that I'm providing for you. So we'll come back and say, this prompt gave me contact information for the customer. I don't need that. Could you please fix it? And here's a quick trick for you if you're still struggling to get good, consistent results. We can copy this, and after we've removed the information that we don't want to see, we can go back into this and say, please make sure that the output is something like this. And we're going to go ahead and paste that and say, but please keep the formatting the same. And that'll make sure what we get out of this prompt is nice and clean. So there you go. As with most things in life, people and AI aren't stupid. They just need us to communicate with them clearly. If you'd like the prompt, you can see how to grab it in the description below. And if you're not sure how to get started with AI in Odoo, you should probably check out this video. Thanks for watching.